In this video, I will show you how to fix Gmail verify it's you. So the first thing you need to do is you will go to this account recovery, and here you will check your cell phone. So you need to tap this number or yes on your cell phone if the number is 28. So if you don't have a phone, so click on I don't have my phone to go to another way. So here you will see I have a recovery email. So I will type my recovery email address in this and then click on send. And if you don't have a recovery email here, so you can click the try another way. And then for this example, so I have no mobile phone or anything, so that's why it shows this. So this is an example. If you click the try another way, so you can use your passkey, enter your password, or click on get help. And the next method is you can click on try again if it shows this, and then you will see the account recovery again. So you need to type the email or phone. And then so the next method is go to search and then search for Google account recovery in here, and then after that click this how to recover your Google account, and then you need to read this. So find the problem or issue that you have, and then after that read it and then follow the instruction that it says into this. And that's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.